A tree species is sometimes mistakenly identified as dao. What tree is it? Introducing Lamyo Dracontomelon idoli of the family Anacardiaceae. Lamyo is an endemic tree in the Philippines, meaning it can only be found in the Philippines and nowhere else. Lamyo closely resembles Dao in terms of vigor and shares many similar characteristics, leading many to believe they are the same. However, the hairy leaves of Lamyo distinguish it from Dao, which has a very smooth leaves. In addition, the fruits of Lamyo are larger than those of Dao. The wood of Lamyo is used for furniture, plywood, veneer, interior construction, gun stocks, musical instruments, woodcraft, and novelties. The seed kernels, flowers, and leaves can be eaten when cooked. The bark, flowers, and leaves are used in traditional medicine. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.